Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking drip line systems and irrigation systems, and in today's video, we are going to fix a leak in our drip line system. All right, DIYers, at the workstation now, and as you can see, we have a special guest in for the winter. Mom and Dad's jet ski for DIY repair videos. However, let's take a look on the workbench. Coming around the jet ski and the tools we will use down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, will be links on this little barber design fitting and the tool to cut the drip line. Here we are outside, and here in a day or two we are having a company come out and apply a whole bunch of new mulch. As you can see, our drip line is open, exposed, and that will be all covered up. And what I like to do in circumstances like this is turn on the drip line system before it is covered up and check for leaks. Again, as you can see, our entire drip line system is exposed, which is kind of cool. And unfortunately, there's a leak right here. Check that out. So when I turn the drip line system on, DIYers, no joke, water sprayed out of that little hole, so we need to get that fixed. At this point, I've got the camera repositioned and I moved some mulch and leaves away from the drip line to give you a better view. And again, there's the crack right there. I will grab this tool right here. I will come up under, very close to the crack itself. And what I did was I inspected an entire 3 feet either side of that crack to ensure that was the only area that needs to be replaced. And I'll come in maybe about a 1/4 inch from the crack and I will make my cut. There we go. And a nice clean cut, as you can see there. And again, there is the crack. And I will do the exact same thing. I will come up under about a 1/4 inch in front of the crack portion here, and again, make the cut. There it is. The part I cut is about maybe just over a 1/2 inch. Next, grab your barber designed or bevel designed fitting that will feed into the hose or drip line. And DIYers, these can be tricky and tough to insert. Just be patient, be precise, and I strongly recommend not to twist this into the drip line. You can actually damage the drip line. We are going to start it on this side, and some friendly muscle and pressure, as you see here. Once you get it slightly started, grab the opposite hose and work them together as best as you can. And you'll notice I'm only going about a 1/4 inch back when grabbing each end of the drip line system to ensure I don't damage it as I press it together. And I'm making progress, as you can see. In my exact case, unfortunately, I have this little insert inside this portion of the drip line where the hole is that the water comes out of. So that might be as far as I can actually get this end of the drip line onto the fitting. Next, I grab my Craftsman heat gun. I'm going to heat this portion of the drip line just to give it a better seal. Ooh, that's warm. And DIYers, at this point, that is solidly secured to the fitting. Very tight grip. Again, unfortunately in our case, with that hard plastic fitting inside the drip line system for this specific hole, and you will notice you will have those every single hole location on your drip line system, it made it where we could only push the fitting in maybe a 1/4, slightly over a 1/4 inch. However, the left side shown here, that's all the way in and flush with the center nodule. And now to a close-up view. Taking a step back, also down below in the comment section as well as the description section will be a link on where to purchase this Craftsman heat gun. And it comes with all these little adapters. And in our case, we use this angled and circular down adapter as it moves the heat in a circular motion, which works out better for the circle drip line system. We are going to wait a day or two for the mulch to be delivered and spread evenly throughout the garden and hide the drip line system. We'll show you what that looks like here in a day or two. And coming back to the drip line, in our case, we need to wait to turn the system on and check for leaks because unfortunately at night the temperatures are still getting to freezing below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are going to wait, unfortunately, maybe a week or two for May to hit and the warmer temperatures to come and stay for the remainder of the season. But in your case, if it's the middle of summer, go ahead and turn your drip line system on and check for leaks. And making our way around the garden, here is our peony garden. And you can see the sun just slowly making its way up. However, as I just mentioned, again, we have freezing temperatures during the night. You can see the frost on the drip line system. Ooh, that's cold. So again, unfortunately for us, we gotta wait to check for leaks, but that's okay. You don't wanna turn your drip line system on when you've got freezing temperatures during the night. That would cause a whole bunch of leaks. That's not what you want. All right, DIYers 2-day update. The mulch has arrived, it has been applied, and it is covering the entire drip line system. And fresh mulch, it smells really good. Check that out. My cousin John and his employee Jack rock this out. It looks beautiful. And there is the area that we just fixed 2 days ago. DIYers, down below in the comment section as well as the description section will be several helpful links on winterizing your drip line system as well as unwinterizing or de-winterizing your drip line system. Definitely check those out. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.